48, 150. Divide again by 2. We get, this is, divide this by 2. Here we get, this is 18. This is going to be 24. And this is going to be 75. And we are through with 2. We can no longer divide again. But we can divide with 3. So we divide with 3. Here. And here we get 9, 8, 25. So if we divide with 3, here we get 9, 8, and 25. And that's it. We can't divide anymore. Therefore, GCD is 2 squared times 3, which is 2 squared times 3, which is 4 times 3, which is 24. So that's the GCD of 72. That is the number, the highest common factor which can divide any of those 3. Let's look at something else which is very important in mathematics. So remember, GCD is product of only the common factors. We are only taking the common factors. We now come to something else, which we call the LCM, another very important factor. Now, if we are given a set of numbers, for example, we are given a set of numbers like 6, 8, and 12. So, for a set of numbers, so whenever you're talking of LCM, you're talking of a set of numbers. LCM means least common multiple of a set of numbers. So here the general rule is LCM is product of all, note this word, all the prime factors. So here we don't choose. We get a hold of all the prime factors and we get the product. We multiply them up for that set of numbers. Prime factors of the set of numbers. So, for example, find the LCM. Find the LCM of a number here. An example of the number I have is 6, 8, and 12. Of 6, 8, and 12. Again, we draw a good table which will help us to get all the factors. So 6, 8, and 12. And here we are interested only in the common, in all the prime factors, not just the common ones. So we start with the least, which is 2. 2 can divide 6, we get 3. 2 can divide 8, we get 4. 2 can divide 12, we get 6. Again, 2 can divide. It will not be able to divide 3, so we still have our 3, but it will be able to divide 4, we get 2. And divide here again, we get 3. We still have 1, 2 left. So 2, here we have 3, and this becomes 1, and this becomes 3. So because 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1. And finally, you're left with 3, which is meaning, if you divide by 3, then here with 1, this will remain 1, this will become 1. Therefore, LCM is equals to 2 cubed times 3, which is the same as 8 times 3, which is 24. So the LCM, the least common multiple of 6, 8, and 12. So if you take 6, you multiply with the number, you reach and 8, the least common multiple you'll find for both is 24. Now this is very important when we are solving equations. The concept of LCM is very important. It's one of the most important mathematical ideas when you are solving fractions and even other equations, because most of the time you have to get the LCM of the denominators for us to do things like addition and subtraction operations. Thank you. Amen.